Well, apparently there's a volcano eruption in the area, that's why it's so foggy. At some point I started wondering if this is how documentaries begin. 22 people started this journey. Let's see how many is gonna survive. For about 30 minutes I felt like we were sailing towards the edge of the world. And then a silhouette started to emerge. Darocotan Island. My favorite is that the song is from the movie The Beach.
At reception.
And they wait for us with cocktails, which is good. Hello!
Hi guys!
Huh? Oh, damn. Room.